Hey, welcome back to another video, Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use filters to enhance image in GetStencil. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to GetStencil.com and log in to your account. Start a new design or open an existing one with the image you want to enhance. On the left sidebar, go to Photos tab and search for the image from the stock library, or you can also upload your own image. Click on the image to add to your canvas. Once the image is on the canvas, select it by clicking on it. A menu with filter options should appear above the image or near it. This menu typically includes adjustment for blur, transparency, brightness, and all. You may also see preset filter options like grayscale or sepia from here. Drag this slider to see more filters. You can also customize the filter settings from here. Use the brightness, contrast, saturation, and blur. Experiment with the effect. Test different combination of adjustment to see what looks best for your design. Once you are satisfied with the filter settings, save your design to keep this enhancement. Download the image by clicking on Download button to export it in a desired format. Using filters in GetStencil can enhance your image and help create a cohesive aesthetics to your design. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.